Yeah.
Yeah.
No leakage.
You're talking, 50 pascals. They say is probably about a 25-mile-an-hour wind. Right hitting something. So.
Yeah, zero leakage.
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, the water has been pounding on the back of this door for 30 to 35 minutes, Brian.
You know, guys, it's the magnetic seal that makes the difference here. Because not only is it airtight, it's watertight. And will it pass the candle test? A straight flame every time. Freedom Pet Pass blows the competition away.
The Freedom Pet Pass dog door company bonds parallel strips of high-energy magnet to a one-way flexible jam. Then, we bond magnet to a flexible, abrasive-resistant thermal pet flap. Finally, we bond magnet to a construction-grade PVC frame. With the jam in the closed position, the high-energy magnets bond to each other, creating a true draft-free seal. A leaky pet door will raise your energy.